right there. Oh,
Come on.
no. Let's go right there.
You don't know what to make of her, huh?
You got it.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I don't think she wants to eat that.
Anyway.
Yeah, I don't think she wants to eat that diaper.
Why are you crying? Hey, it's okay. Did you bite your tongue just now? How about some lunch, Maddox? Sometimes, hey, do you just feel like crying? You don't need a reason. You can just cry if you feel like it, okay?
I know.
I know. Oh, you're making the baby cry. Oh. Are you ready for some lunch?
You want the puppy, Richard? You want the doggy? Doggy?
So isn't my ward much smaller?
Yeah, but it was still not a bad size.
So we don't have a basketball teacher because there's no one to choose from.